So we have just reached Fukuoka and where are we heading next, Ako?
Go Aeon now, go and find food.
Oh, supermarket ah. Oh, I'm damn hungry. So I bought omu rice. So we have just reached Kumamoto city and we'll be going to Mount Aso for the onsen staycation, right?
Yeah, the Mount Aso is actually an active volcano that has a lot of hot springs. So we are going to one of the most famous area called Kurokawa Onsen. It's a small town that has a lot of different onsen, and we are going to the best and the most expensive one.
So I'm gonna try this mochi. I think it's made of red bean. So yeah. It's really refreshing and good. I think it's more like a jelly. So now we are in our room at Yamamizuki Onsen Inn. And what do you think about it?
Well, we have the biggest suite in the whole Ryokan. There is this living room, you can see a nice living room setting with an espresso machine, and over there we got two different bedroom, tatami bedroom, which they're going to put the futon for us. Actually each room can easily sleep 6, so but we are only 5, so we have plenty of space around. With later you can take a look, we got the private stone onsen.
So it's my first time here at Yamamizuki Onsen Inn and honestly, I love it. Okay, I thought I wasn't a hot spring person, but you know, when I'm here I was like, oh my god, I need to go right now. And today I already went twice. One, I went to my private one in the room, and the other one, the open space, and both are really good. Both are really good. The private one has more privacy, of course, and I can go in anytime I want because it's just beside my room. And the open space one, right, it has a stunning view because the hot spring is situated just beside a natural river flow, and you get that really beautiful and majestic view while being in the hot spring. So it's pretty cool. That's about it. I hope you enjoy this vlog, and I feel a little bit inspired to create a new recipe, hopefully. So make sure to subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram, and check out my website at www.dezonghan.com. I hope that I will see you guys next week, else the next video. Bye bye.